Matthew Karnak. Come up, get your award, Matthew.
Go over here for pictures.
Congratulations. Second place Tigers goes to Logan Willis. He's not here, right? Is he here?
He's a wolf. He's a wolf. He's a wolf.
Logan Willis is, I'm sorry, that's what I meant. That's not what I meant. We're gonna start over. Tigers, second place. That is a tiger and not a wolf. Reed, please come up, Reed. The wrong one. Sorry about that. I can't even read my own writing.
Picture. Victor.
He's holding.
Okay, congratulations, Reed. First place, fastest time of his den, goes to Rohan. Come on up, Rohan. Turn around for a picture.
Good job, Tiger.
Okay, now